Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another in depth journey with Crypto Insights. Today we are embarking on deep exploration into the fascinating world of XRP and the XRP ledger. If you love unrevealing the complexities of cryptocurrencies, buckle up, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let's dive into the multifaceted universe of XRP in this extensive exploration. First we have introduction to XRP and the XRP ledger. XRP launched in 2012. The XRP ledger has become a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency space. But what makes it stand out? To understand that, we need to dissect the component that from the backbone of XRP and its underlying technology. XRP Ledger and open source decentralized technology serves the foundation for the XRP currencies. Created by a team including David Satchward, Jed McCaleb, Arthur Brito, and Cyrus Lerner. Its aim to address some of the insufficiencies present in existing blockchain network. So, who are the founders of XRP Ledger? Let's take a moment to recognize the visionary behind the XRP Ledger. In 2012, David Satchward eventually figured in the cryptocurrencies space, joined forces with Jed McCaleb, Arthur Brito, and Larry Slatson to lay the groundwork for what became Ripple and its native cryptocurrency XRP. Unique features of the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger stand out for several key features. It boasts a impressive transaction cost, which is very low, settlement times as fast as 3 to 5 seconds, and a remarkable scalability, allowing for 1500 transactions per second. But it does not stop there. The XRP ledger is also home to the first decentralized exchange, you can also say DEX, and supports customization tokens and within its protocol. XRP's use cases and application. While XRP is often associated with being a cryptocurrency, its use cases extended far beyond. Developer finds its application diverse, ranging from facilitating micropayments and contributing to DeFi to venturing into the world of non-fungible token, which is NFTs. The XRP ledger supporting Python, Java, and JavaScript provides a powerful platform for developers to create innovative solutions. So, circulation of XRP coin. To understand the dynamics of XRP, we need to delve into its initial distribution and current circulation. The XRP ledger began with a gift of 80 billion XRP to Ripple, enabling the company to build a robust ecosystem around the digital asset. This unique approach to distribution has implications to market dynamic and the broader ecosystem. So, what the security of the XRP ledger network? The security of any blockchain network is paramount. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which rely on traditional proof of work mechanism, the XRP ledger employs a distinctive federated consensus mechanism. This mechanism informs a consensus protocol where designate independent servers, known as validators, collectively agree on the order and outcome of XRP transactions. So, where to buy XRP? For those eager to explore the world of XRP, the journey often begins on cryptocurrencies exchanges. XRP is listed on numerous centralized exchanges globally, providing users with options for buying, selling, and trading from Binance, UBI, and Bitstamp. And the availability of XRP on this platform offers accessibility to broad audience. This is all about XRP. As we conclude this comprehensive exploration of XRP and the XRP ledger, it's clear that This cryptocurrencies carries both immense potential and significant challenges. From its unique feature and versatile application to the ongoing legal battles, XRP remains a focal found in the ever evolving cryptocurrency landscape. If you enjoyed this in depth dive into the XRP, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more profound insights into the crypto universe. Until next time, keep exploring with crypto insights.